Sembut Menteri Rangba kajela ubak kami yang tenat kampo yim ubak Preston tensong hak arpulai trik jeliu. Ong baka jingtohkit halor ka jingshah pyniap badangshan jong unong kayi na indoor. Raja Raghuvanshi hasora kan iaid palat na lor ka jingiadei jingieid samla. Ngindang lap shushu ya ki jingshah ngin haban kami na baro kiliang. Ngam kerentang ya ka kam iaid samla Henry palat ban ya kata. Kumta ya mentahi ngam palat ban ong AA. Pat ai baka jingtohkit kandang yat pat hadin baladab ngat harai ka jingshah kan sapau kumba kalong ong ubak Preston habakren syakilat thai kubor. Ula pentip ru baka kenhuan Special Investigation Team SIT kila yok ban kem salangut ki beriu hakabaya debak kani ka jingshah pyniap jong Raja Raghuvanshi. Hapok kini ki kindiat sngi anwan yalam yaki shashlong ban pelong shushu ya ka jingtohkit na marla syam baki dei ki badan jingiadei halor kan ka jingshah pyniap jong raja ula benram. Habak keli ubak Preston ula ong ka jingtohkit kadang ya syakman. Ngeladap ban kentu ya Superintendent of Police ba un ai ka jingtim hakabaya dei ba ka jingmi na ka jingtohkit. Kat kum ka jingpen pau ko jong ka kurim raja ka sunam lembat ubak i jong ka uraj kushwaha na luar ki langut ki parlok jong ki balasyak thong pisa ban pyniap ki ladan menta hapo patok. Menta ka jingtohkit kadang yat tungin ya ab bat pet ya ka ka bajia ula benram.
Yes, the investigation is still on. I think you all are aware. I think you know better than me too, because I've already requested SP concerned to update the investigation. And right now, I think, as you are aware, that now the court has already granted judicial custody to all those five people, and now the investigation is still on. So let us wait and see. Again, another two and one more, which was just arrested. Again, maybe one more person. Three of them will be again transferred to Syllad for the detailed investigation. Yes, he's one of them. Three of them are there. There are three of them. Of course, the detail I don't have, but three of them. So within a few days from now, they'll be brought to Syllad for further investigation, because it is found that they are linked to this killing of late Raja. That we are yet to come to any conclusion. Let us see. From all angles, I'm not talking only for the love angle, but even beyond that. So right now I can't say anything. So let the investigation be completed, and once that is done, I think the truth will come out as it is.